for a holiday.
We hope you have enjoyed your flight. Please...
This is Captain Emergency speaking. We are about to land in Italy.
Oh, Italy! That sounds nice.
On time. We hope you enjoyed yours and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair. Low fares, made simple.
Oh dear. Peppa has left Teddy on the
stupid idiot glider.
Now we need a car to drive to our holiday house.
Here is the place to borrow cars.
Hello.
I have dementia.
Shut the frick up and give us a car to rent.
Well done.
Mummy Pig. Are we going to get lost like we always do?
Yes.
Peppa and her family are on their way to their holiday house.
Ah, we're almost there.
Yes, I can feel myself relaxing already.
Oh dear, it is a policeman.
Hello, officer. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I promise I won't do it again.
Good day. I am returning this young bear. He was left on the aeroplane.
Oh!
Do you want it or not?
Peppa and her family are on their way. Peppa and her family have arrived at their holiday house.
What have you got in this bag, Mummy Pig?
It's all important stuff for our holiday. A lovely plant, our computer, tin food, water bottles, some winter clothes if